Hi students, last session we have discussed about the one of the important civilization in the world, that is Harappa civilization. Where we found that one and what was the evidence we got about Harappa civilization and why we calling as one of the important civilization in the world, and we discussed what was the features in that particular civilization. We have discussed town planning, means how they built, means they used bricks to build house or any other purpose, and we discussed about one of the important water tank that only they called as a bath tank, that one found in Mohenjo-daro. Not only this one, we saw so many of site in that particular place, Lothal, Kalibangan. So these are the important matters we are discussed in last session. So in this class, in this video, we are discussing about what was the town planning of Harappa civilization. Because of these type of town plannings, we cannot see in any other civilization. Only we can found in only one civilization, that is ours, that is Sindhu civilization or Harappa civilization. So in this class, we are discussing how this one is special civilization or why this one is special town planning. So this one now we are discussing in this class. Before that, we want to know where they constructed towns. Already we discussed in last session, there are two types of part we can see in Harappa civilization. One is north side, that one called as a fort. Another one is in low level, in eastern side, they built by villages or cities. In low level lands or low village or town village, that only they called as a town village or town. So in this class, we are discussing how they constructed or how they built by town. So when we are discussing about the town, they built as a systematically. They built town as a systematically method. If you are, when the archaeologists they went to research, they observing each by each house, we can see same method, same structure, same content they used, and they built the houses. Means this only showing they built houses at town as a systematically. And not only this one, here they given one by one, they are given the information about that one, and we can see houses in that place. Archaeologists they got about the houses, about the information. Not only this one, road, and another one special features in that civilization, that is drainage system or seepage. This is one of the important contributions of Sindhu civilization. What are the things they got? What are the constructions or built they got? For example, roads or drainage system or house. All also they used only one material, that is burnt bricks. For the constructions purpose, they used by burnt bricks. That also already we discussed, interlock system, burnt bricks. And what they constructed the house, the wall is very strong. So this is also one of the important features of town planning of Harappa civilization. And not only this one, they built systematically houses. Each family also have one or two after building. Commonly, all are what they got the evidence about that one, structures of houses or buildings, what they got the archaeologists, what they got the information in that based. Commonly, generally, peoples they built minimum one or two after buildings. And in that front, we can see corridors, that only courtyards. We can see in each house also they have courtyard or corridor. This was one of the important feature of Harappa civilization. And another important feature of town planning and one of the important features of in that civilization, that is drainage system. That also underground drainage system. In that fur, they used once again burnt bricks. So this is also one of the important features of Harappa civilization. And when they constructed this one underground seepage or drainage system, they say in top they covered by stone slabs. They used stone slabs to cover in top. So this is also one of the important feature of Harappa civilization. And here they given, and drainage, here they say the wastewater want to go outside, they did by in that place wall. For example, if in that place in Harappa civilization, each house's front we can see well system. They got the evidence, archaeologists, they got the evidence. And what the wastewater they used, peoples, that one want to go for, they used pipelines, means walls, in that they're going connecting to the drainage. After that, that one going to outside of village of lakes. Means this only is showing peoples, they knowing so much of knowledge and they given so much of importance about cleanness. So this is one of the important features of Harappa civilization. Means what they constructed roads that also systematic manner, straight roads and very wide roads. Not only this one, we can see drainage system also systematically, that also underground drainage system. These like of systems we cannot see any civilization. Only we found in only one civilization, that is Harappa civilization. Not only this one, and bricks. What they used to construct the house or drainage system or roads, that bricks, this also first time we got in only one civilization, that is Harappa civilization. These are the important matters about town planning. After that, we want to know how peoples they live in town. Now we discussed how they constructed roads, drainage and house. Now next part we are discussing how peoples they live or they settled in town, or what was the lifestyle of peoples. So this one now we are discussing in this session, in this class. Okay, when you are discussing about the towns, about that one Harappa civilization, here they are saying that also very systematically. Systematical lifestyle they moved in Harappa civilization. And here they say apart from houses, we got some of the precious stones in that place and metals. So this one is showing that one, they knowing how to use the metals. They got the talent or technology. They knowing that one how to use the metal. Archaeologists, when they started to research, they got about some information about metals. And here they say, not only this one, they say in most town we can see the administrative classes. Peoples, they live like under the any one government. Means is the one of the important leader to maintain that particular group, that particular civilization. And next they say the place peoples where the expensive metals, gems, jewelries, these also they got. In that means peoples or archaeologists they written peoples they knowing jewelers, they got some of the jewelers in that particular place. And next one they say, and common peoples they used beads were probably used in common peoples. And we can got some of the script on in seals. We got seals, script we got in that seals, means some of the symbols. That one showing any one programs what they conducted on that time, that one images. And if they did any work or any leader, if they teaching to the peoples, these like of seals or symbols they got. On that based they written archaeologists. In that time peoples they under the control of administrative. Is one of the important leader, he took control on that particular group. So these like archaeologists they written in history. And in that time here they saying another information. On the time peoples they don't know the literature, means how to write. So all are on that time what we got evidence, that and all like a image, only image, that like of evidence we got on that time. And Harappa civilization peoples they commonly they adapted work of agriculture and trade. This is one of the important occupations of peoples. they always they involved in agriculture and trade, both in also. Mainly they grow the crop of wheat, barley, and they are given pulses and mustard. These are the important crops they growing. They knowing how to that one cultivate, and not only this one, they knowing irrigation system, how to we can provide water to crops. So they got some of the canals or some of the irrigation system. On this based archaeologists they written on the time Indian peoples means Harappa civilization peoples, they knowing how to utilize water. And not only this one, in that time they are saying that one, we can see in towns they are saying the rivers also they are saying, we can see because of the Harappa civilization is developed in river basins side. So they use that one river water only they used for agriculture purpose. And in that time they raised some of the animals also. For example, bull, cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, dog and hen. These are the animals they knowing how to take care or how to rear. They did cattle rearing. This is also one of the important important contributions of Harappa civilization. And here they say not only this one, they got some of the evidence that was showing they have good relationship with other civilization. Harappa civilization, in when archaeologists they went to research, on that time they got some of the information. That information or that evidence they showing Harappa civilization peoples they have good relationship with other civilization. One of the best example, Mesopotamia. They have good relationship with Mesopotamia. They got some of the evidence, some of the proof. So these are the important points about town life of Harappa civilization. One is they knowing how to use the metals or precious stones, and not only this one, they all are came in administrative control peoples, and they knowing agriculture work and trade. They knowing how to cultivate the land, and they knowing irrigation system. And peoples commonly all are they wearing jewelries. They got the evidence. And last one, Harappa civilization peoples they have good relationship with other civilization. One of the best example, Mesopotamia civilization. These are the important points about Harappa's town planning and town life of peoples. Next class we can discuss next one topic. Okay, thank you.